The Sydney Regatta Centre is known worldwide for its prime rowing and sprint kayak courses. But lately, the macrophytes, which are used to control the water quality, have become overgrown. This causes a problem for the rowers because it restricts the clean flow for them. The centre has tried chemical biocontrol to disperse the macrophytes, but this failed. The new idea is now to introduce non-native fish species to the regatta lake. This non-native species is called triploid grass carp. The introduction of a non-native species into Australian waters is very risky. It has been seen worldwide that non-native fish can have a huge impact on endemic species. The grass carp is a herbivore fish. Grass carp culture began in China, and China is still the biggest producer of grass carp in the world. Because they grow rapidly, reach a weight of up to 35 kilo, and reach sexual maturity very early, people made them sterile. So-called triploids were first produced in the 80s by exposing the eggs to pressure and different temperatures shortly after fertilization.
As we all know, the grass carp eats the macrophytes. Grass carp have been used in other countries, for example, the USA, New Zealand and the UK. Through this, they have found short-term effects that have helped greatly with reducing the amount of macrophytes in the waterways and lakes. Most of the macrophytes found in the Penrith lakes are a part of the grass carp's diet. This means that virtually all of the weeds would be eliminated.
So what are the disadvantages of the release of the grass carp?
There are several disadvantages. Disturbing sediment, the muddying of water, outcompetes other fish for food, it expels nutrients in the water with fecal matter, it promotes algal blooms, and it brings parasites and diseases when it's introduced.
With the triploid grass carp species being released into the Nepean Regatta, they will help dramatically control the macrophytes and maintain a balance of vegetation in these waters. We believe the release of grass carp into the Penrith Regatta for biocontrol would be a short to medium term effect. We have also found there are no specific species that may be endangered in the regatta lakes. As the regatta is mainly used for sporting events and would expect clean looking water for athletes and viewers, due to the habitat of the carp digging sediment and food resources, this creates turbid water, and once species are introduced into these waters, it becomes near impossible to remove. We believe the release of grass carp into the Penrith Regatta for biocontrol would be a short to medium term effect, but only a limited number should be released and monitored.